Organic gardening, a natural way to grow. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting and important topic: organic gardening. This method of gardening is not just about planting seeds, it's a sustainable and environmentally friendly way to nurture plants. So, if you're curious about how to garden without synthetic chemicals, you're in the right place. Organic gardening refers to the way of growing fruits, vegetables, and flowers using natural materials and processes. Unlike conventional gardening, it avoids synthetic chemicals like artificial fertilizers and pesticides. Instead, organic gardeners rely on compost, natural pest control, and crop rotation to maintain a healthy garden ecosystem. Organic gardening is not just good for your plants, it's great for the environment too. Here are some benefits. Healthier produce. Plants grown organically are free from harmful chemicals, making them safer and healthier to consume. Environmental protection. By avoiding synthetic chemicals, organic gardening reduces water pollution and preserves soil health. Biodiversity. Organic gardens often host a variety of plants and animals, promoting a balanced ecosystem. To start your organic garden, you need to understand a few key techniques. Composting. Creating compost from kitchen and yard waste provides nutrient-rich soil for your plants. Natural pest control. Instead of chemical pesticides, use beneficial insects or homemade remedies to keep pests at bay. Crop rotation. Rotating your crops prevents soil depletion and reduces disease and pest problems. While organic gardening is rewarding, it comes with its own set of challenges. Here are some common issues and how to tackle them. Pest management. Learn about natural predators or barriers that can protect your plants from pests. Weed control. Regular hand weeding or mulching can effectively manage weeds without harmful chemicals. Soil fertility. Regularly add organic matter like compost or manure to maintain soil health. Organic gardening is a fulfilling journey that benefits not just your garden, but also the environment and your health. It's about working with nature, rather than against it. We hope this video inspires you to start your own organic garden and experience the joy of growing healthy, sustainable produce. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.